Right, rookie tutorial 2 of the day. I must be getting better, my corona must be down. This one is about tank hunting and assaulting tanks. Now, I've set up the situation. I have a group of Americans here, and I have my Stackhound armored car here. Now, the Stackhound is an 8+ armored car, and it is close-topped, so it actually counts as a tank. Now, if the Americans wish to charge my Stackhound, then they will have to take a tank fear test. Tank fear means that they take a morale test with a -3 if they want to charge it. So that's a 6. No, sorry, that's a 5 -3. So that would be good even if they're regular. So they can actually charge that tank right now. So, but you can see how that could easily fail, right? -3, that's quite a lot. And if you have a few pins, then you might actually go down instead, which is bad. I've had that happen to me in tournaments with veterans going down right in front of an enemy tank. Not very good. If you have tank grenades, though, anti-tank grenades on this unit, you don't actually have to take that test. Which is why you might want to sometimes take anti-tank grenades if you want your units to charge tanks. So yeah, that's what you can do with anti-tank grenades. You get off from taking the tank fear test, and then just charge as regular. Measure the distance, see if the vehicle gets to shoot. Maybe it even gets to recce if it hasn't done anything yet. And it recce's away from your charge. Sorry, my phone was ringing in the middle of all that. Now, the charge goes through. They move up. I was within 6. I don't get to shoot, nor do I get to recce. They move up. What happens now is that each of them rolls a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 men here. Each of them rolls 1 die. I need a few more dice here. And since I haven't moved this turn, they will hit on 4 pluses. If I had moved, they would hit on 6 pluses. So, because a moving vehicle is harder to hit, right? You're throwing grenades at it and like making sticky bombs and trying to get down the pipe. Right, here we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5. Now that's quite good. It's been hit 5 times. Now I roll 1 dice, and since I've hit it 5 times, it will get a +5 to penetration. If I have anti-tank grenades on this unit, then that penetration goes, it can do full damage. If I don't have anti-tank grenades, tank hunter, then it can only make superficial damage on the tank. So I roll a 3, that is an 8 +5, right? And since I have an 8 in front and I think I get hit in the top, then it's through and it's superficial damage. I'll look that up for you guys. With top, I think it's hitting in the top. I'm very much in doubt all of a sudden. So let's just say I roll 4, right? So it's a 9. It goes through no matter what. And then I roll on the damage table. Since they don't have anti-tank grenades, I roll a 5. That's a 3. So the tank is on fire and will need to take a moral test. And that is how you assault tanks. Now, if the tank had been an open-topped one, all of this goes away. Because open-top tanks are not actually tanks. They can be charged without a tank fear test, and you just lob a grenade. If it takes any damage at all, it immediately dies. So open-top vehicles are quite vulnerable. Cheers.